Yeah, hello guys. Welcome back to another session on RP Automation Anywhere A360. So in the previous video, we have already covered what is web services and what are REST web services methods available, and we have already covered get web services. So in this video, we are going to get multiple requests or multiple row source from the get service by using get web services. So let's see. Let's so let me go to Automation Anywhere A360 control room, and here the different types of methods available under REST web services package. We have already covered get method. So in this video we are going to learn how to fetch multiple users or multiple resources request by using get method. So earlier video we have covered only to how to fetch single user request. In this video, how to get multiple user response by providing a URI request. So let's get started and let's learn this video by using with the help of an example. So let me go to RES websites. So here we have different things available. If the user is not available, and we will get a response as for not for error. And if you have a single user, you need to provide the single user details in the URI, the user ID you have to pass it to in the URI. Let's suppose if I want to get the multiple user details, I need to pass the page details as well. So let me copy this address and let me paste it over here in the new link. We will see manually how we are going to get the user details. So here you can see we have different user details, user id 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and all. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to fetch all these multiple user details by using automation anywhere A360. So let me go to automation anywhere A360, and we have already drag and drop this get method. So let me pass the URI manually. So since I am working on the dummy data REST web services method. So there is no authentication to login actually. But in real time scenario, either we need to pass a login AD user or basic authentication form. You don't need to worry about those authentication forms. Your end user or client, whoever is providing those API, they are going to provide authentication modes and details as well. Okay, so but the URI we need to pass it either from variable or credential wallet. We are not supposed to pass this URI as a hard coded value. Even though if it is a static URI, we need to provide by using variable. Okay, so either variable or by pick the credential wallet attributes. That is how we are going to pass the in the real time scenarios. So I have already covered what are all the best practices and what are all the things we need to follow in a real time. So please go to the playlist of Automation Anywhere A360 or Automation Anywhere. Can find the different videos on real time concepts project on Automation Anywhere A360. Please let me know if you face any issues or difficulties while developing the code in A360 or by using REST web services. I'll try to respond back with the required details or information or documents. Okay, thank you. So let's see. So let's continue this task. So here we are trying to fetch the multiple user details. So since we are using working on dummy website, there is no authentication and header details. If you want to add the header details, yes, you can add. And here what we will try to do, we'll try to capture the failure reason response as well. So either you can assign all the required outputs to multiple values. I mean, so if you want to add multiple values as a key value pair, you can add multiple values. Instead of that, if you use a dictionary variable, all the values will automatically store in the form of key and value pair. Even we have covered a dictionary concept in the previous videos. Please go through the video. I have provided a link in the description. So let me click on create variable. So let me create a variable called output multiple. So let me click on create and save, select, and let me save this command. And let me drag and drop a message box activity to display multiple user information. Message box And let me press functional F2 to select the dictionary variable, that is output and multiple. Here I need to provide a body keyword key to fetch the values of the body. So what is this key and value pair? We have already covered in the dictionary variable. So for the REST web services, how we are going to pass the body and key and value pairs? Here we have a note, something like, let's suppose if you want to fetch the header, you need to pass the keyword response header name. Let's suppose if you want to fetch the body, you need to pass the keyword body. So this is how we are going to fetch the details of a REST web services. Let me click on save, and in order to run this process we need to click on run button. So once you click on run button, the task will auto deploy and it will fetch the all the required details from the external website, that is res.in. So there we can fetch the required information. Real time scenarios, we can fetch the details and we can download or we can update or capture command. The application behavior is different and we cannot find the details properly. So in that scenarios we can use the API keys, so then it will work 100% without failures. Instead of using object learning and REST web services, I am trying to upload all the real-time scenarios and exception cases in the upcoming session. Please try to subscribe and please click on bell icon, then that's why you will be notified every time when I upload a new series on real-time concepts and automation anywhere 360. So here you can see the message box bot output. Here you can see different users. We are able to fetch the all the different users in inputs by using REST web services get method. That's all for today. Hope you are able to understand what is REST web services and get method. So in the upcoming sessions, we are going to learn remaining methods like put and patch, delete methods. Thank you.